Alright, so we've got 4 different ways of proving triangles congruent, besides doing all of the corresponding parts congruent. So side, side, side is one of those, side, angle, side is another, angle, angle, side, and then angle, side, angle. So when we look at the left triangle, it appears to be angle, side, side. Notice this angle, this side, and this side. The other one does not even match up. We've got an angle here, and then we've got a side and a side. So the top one appears to be side, angle, side, which is a legitimate way, but it doesn't match up with the other one, which appears to be angle, side, side, which is not a way of proving triangles congruent. So we would have to go with choice E here. There's not enough information to prove that the triangles are congruent. Here we've got angle, angle. Angle, angle was enough for triangle similarity, but we're trying to do triangle congruence, so we don't have enough information to prove that the triangles are congruent. Could be that they're just similar. Here, if we've got 2 sides marked in each triangle. Now if we think about the fact that we have vertical angles, so now we can see side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. So choice B, yes, the triangles are congruent by side, angle, side. On this one we've got angle, side, angle. Angle, side, angle. Notice that the side is the included side. It's the side in between the 2 angles, or part of both angles. So angle, side, angle. Here we've got the reflexive property at work, so we can say that this is congruent to itself. And now you can see angle, angle, side. We got angle, angle, side, angle, angle, side again. And then on this one, we've got 2 sides marked in each. Now we've got the reflexive property at work. That side happens to be part of both triangles. So we have enough for side, side, side. Here, which angle corresponds to R? So R is in the first position, and so if we look at the first position in the other triangle, it's J. So angle J corresponds to angle R. Since they're congruent triangles, we could also say that angle J is congruent to angle R. Here we have enough to prove triangle congruence by side, side, side. Now let's state our triangles. So if we just start by stating the first triangle, A, B, C. Now when we state the other one, we want to state them in the way that they correspond. So AB has 2 marks, XV has 2 marks, and then W is the third. So notice that it's in the way that they correspond. AB 2 marks, XV 2 marks. BC, second and third position, has 1 mark. VW, second, third, has 1 mark. Alright. On number 9, we can prove that this triangle is congruent to this one by side, angle, side. Because those are congruent, we can say that the corresponding sides are congruent. So we could put this one with 4 marks and this one with 4 marks. Now if we think about these triangles in the bottom, we can say that triangle BCD is congruent to triangle FED by angle, side, angle. Now because those are congruent, now we can say the corresponding sides are congruent, so BD is congruent to FD. Now we're up to 5 marks. Okay, now with the reflexive property we can say that HD is congruent to itself. I think we're up to 6 marks. So now by side, side, side we can say triangle BHD is congruent to triangle FHD. Again, that's by side, side, side. So the final statement in the proof is side, side, side. Again, part of that I just said. I didn't actually write out the whole proof. But our final statement would be side, side, side.